All right, now that those are out, we're gonna go ahead and take these couple of screws out of here. Go ahead and get this out the way because I'm pretty sure it's a screw somewhere in the back if I remember right. So we can go ahead and take that out and search for that screw, and I'm gonna show you where that's at. All right, when you're unscrewing this, you got one screw back here, Phillips. From there, you're just gonna go ahead and pull this one out and detach it, throw it inside the box. Then you're gonna get this other screw right here, which that screw is already out. Take that one right out here, and then we're gonna get to them screws in the back. So let me go ahead and do this, and then we'll come back. All right, now we got the AC unit controls out. It's another one. We'll just go ahead and unplug this one. All right, so now that we got the two screws out of the AC controls, we're gonna go ahead and unplug that, and then I'm gonna check in the back to see where those other screws are. Start to take out these screws here. So you're gonna have one right there, and it's gonna go all the way across the dash. There, 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 there. Find all the ones that's up there up top. Use a 9/32 wrench or a 9/32 socket. Go ahead and knock those out. And then we'll get started with the bottom half of it with that process. So I'm gonna go ahead and do these, and then I'm gonna come back to you. All right, now before I forget, what you wanna do is go ahead and start unplugging all of these. I think you got, how many's in there? One, you got another one right there. And I think that's the only ones up here. But go ahead and unplug those and get those out of the way, because you're gonna have to unplug them anyway. So knock those out. All right, we're almost in there, almost done. So you got a couple of small things you gotta unbutton from the bottom of the goddamn dash. I forgot about it. So let me flip this around and get done here. Make this smaller. So you got all this small stuff over here. Go ahead and just unbutton those because they're connected to the bottom of the dash and some inside parts. So go ahead and disconnect that stuff. I'll show you what it looks like when I get it all done. But go ahead and take those out.